Hi friends, welcome to my channel DK. We are having very good opportunity, that is a DEFTeam company is hiring freshers actively. Even I am also got an update after application of 1 day. And if you have trained or skilled freshers in Java or Python, if you are proficient in any one of the programming language that they have mentioned here, don't miss this opportunity guys. Every opportunity is important. And if you found my channel as genuine, please do subscribe for more videos. So let's see the details. So guys, here you can see after application of 1 day like this, I have got update from them. So they mentioned that they are hiring for freshers, and if you have skills like any one of the programming language like Java or Python, and should be strong knowledge in SQL database, and preferably good logical thinking. And they are hiring for the position Power BI technologies, and the qualifications B.Tech or any PG. So I am not eligible for this opportunity. That is the reason I didn't get further updates. And also I have discussed with the recruiter. Here you can see in LinkedIn, I have messaged, I have connected with them, and here you can see chart. I am from B.Sc, not a B.Tech. So am I eligible or not? Like this I asked them. So they mentioned that sorry they can't, because they mentioned a qualification should be from B.Tech or any PG. So this is the requirement. If you are from B.Tech or any PG, you can apply. So let's see the process to apply. So guys, this is the opportunity that they have updated in LinkedIn portal. They are hiring for freshers. So our location is Hyderabad. The qualification should be B.Tech or any PG, and the work mode is work from office, and working days Monday to Friday. If you are interested and if you have skill like a Java or Python, you can send your resume for mail. They mention like a prem at the rate of defteam.com .co. This is the mail guys. So if you are interested, you can send your resume to this mail. You will get further updates. Thank you.